Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below. What am I bringing to you today? Today I am bringing to you a 99-cent store haul. I know that there are so many of you that don't have access to a 99-cent store, but there are so many of you that have been requesting for me to do more DIYs using items from the 99-cent store because you don't have access to a Dollar Tree, but you do have access to a 99-cent store. I personally love both stores, and although a lot of the items at the 99-cent store aren't just 99 cents, you still find some really great buys on items. And so there are some really great items that I will be bringing to you that are going to work really well in my Bleak to Chic series that I'll be bringing back to you here real soon. And so I thought I'd bring you this haul and show you some of the great finds that you can find at the 99-cent store now if you have one near you. And of course, if you see anything in this haul, you might want to go to your local 99-cent store and see if they're carrying it too. So let's jump into it and let me show you all the great finds that I found at my local 99-cent store. Okay, so I'm going to start this haul off with my favorite find at the 99-cent store, and it is this 3-piece candle holder set that I found for $4.99. This is an amazing buy for 3 pillar candle holders with the various sizes. Although the black isn't my style type, this is gonna be a Bleak to Chic DIY video that I bring to you because why would I pass this up when it's $4.99 when I can just, with a little bit of DIYing, make this to suit my decor so easily for probably $1 or $2. Another one of my favorite finds from the 99-cent store is this bamboo kitchen board. $4.99 for this. This is a nice size board. It measures out at 17 by 13. I just love the look of this. I think it's a fun bamboo kitchen board. It is reversible, so if you don't like the front side, you have this back side as well. You can't get a bamboo kitchen board for $4.99 anywhere else. So although it's the 99-cent store, I don't mind paying the $4.99 for it because I think it's a great buy. I picked up one of these plastic arch fences. This was 99 cents and this will be used in an upcoming DIY. I think I hit the mother load of liquid shoe polish at the 99-cent store. Typically, I get my liquid shoe polish at the Dollar Tree. Hadn't seen it there in about a month, and so I picked up 3 bottles of black, the last 2 bottles of brown that they had. I've never seen white shoe polish before, so I picked this up hoping it would work for that whitewashed look on wood, and let me tell you, I already opened a bottle and tried it, and it looks amazing. It works just the way I was hoping it would work. So I picked up 4 bottles. I may go back and pick up a couple more. There's another 99-cent store in my area, so I may go back and see if they have the brown liquid. Liquid shoe polish is a great alternative for wood stain. It stains wood perfectly, it dries perfectly, it doesn't rub off once it's dried. And so if you run into liquid shoe polish at your Dollar Tree, your dollar store, your 99-cent store, it's a good investment to pick up if you like to stain wood because it works perfectly. This 3-pack of furniture touch-up markers, it comes with 3 different shades of brown, which I think is awesome. I'm loving the different shades, and I think that this is something I'll be able to use in some of my upcoming farmhouse DIYs. 3 packs of this beautiful tissue. It's got that craft brown with this silver foil design on it. Loving this. This will be in an upcoming DIY. Kayla and I went to the 99-cent store looking for one of these flower pots. It's one of the long rectangular flower pots. It measures out at 26 inches long by 8 inches high, and it's 5 inches wide. We found it for $1.99, fantastic buy. And so this is something that she will be using in one of her videos to come here on her channel. And I also picked up this smaller version of that as well that I will be using for the same thing that Kayla's using it for, only I'll be putting it in my kitchen. So you'll have to see what she does with this coming up here pretty quick. On the pet aisle, we found these nipple sticks, and I tell ya, our guinea pigs love to nibble on wood. I think that they do that to sharpen their teeth, and they just like to nibble. And so for 99 cents, these are by Hearts. They are a great buy. We usually pay anywhere from $3 to $6 for sticks at Walmart, which seems to be a lot less expensive than PetSmart or Petco. And so this was a great buy for us and a great find. These are a fantastic buy at the 99-cent store. They came in several different sizes. These were in fact only 99 cents. And what I love about these bowls are these are bowls that cannot easily be flipped over. And so Kayla and I picked these up for our guinea pigs because we like to keep their food up off of their bedding on the floor. And the bowls that we've used in the past, they tend to flip over pretty easily. And so Kayla had bought a bowl at PetSmart, no joke. She spent $7.99 on it, and it was a bowl that was plastic, and it was very similar to this. She wanted to get another one. We decided to go to the 99-cent store and see what bowls they have. They had these for 99 cents. We were so kicking ourselves for getting that one at PetSmart. And I also picked up 2 of these cute bowls for the guinea pigs' pellets that go in their cage. I found some great buys for Valentine's Day, a lot of which are for Allie because the 99-cent store has some stinking cute unicorn stuff going on right now. And when Kayla saw this unicorn calendar, we couldn't pass it up. It was $2.99. It matches Allie's room perfectly. And I thought that this would just be a fun addition to her room and something that I will be putting in her Valentine's Day basket this Valentine's Day. We also found these unicorn squeezy pals. They are a squishy pillow that is slow rising. Allie loves squishies. She is all about them, and she's all about unicorns. So these 2 are going to be a fun addition to her Valentine's Day basket. I also found Allie this adorable heart that says hugs, and it is filled with pink slime. And my Allie girl loves LOLs, and so we picked up these Valentine's Day cards for her to sign and hand out to her class. Oh my word, I can hardly stand it. This is so stinking cute, and Allie is going to go ballistic over this light up unicorn. I don't have batteries in it right now, but it's going to light up. It's a standing unicorn light up LED stand, and it was $4.99. A great buy, and this too will be added to her Valentine's Day basket. And of course she needs an LED light up necklace for Valentine's Day to wear to school. 99-cent store has an amazing selection of socks for 99 cents. Their Valentine's Day socks are so stinking cute, and because I'm making up 3 Valentine's Day baskets for those special people and those special girls in my life that I just adore and love, I picked up 3 socks for each of them. 99 cents, not a bad buy. And I think these are the last Valentine's Day items that I picked up from the 99-cent store. These adorable boxes. This one is for Allie with the hedgehogs, so stinking cute. And for the 4 teenagers in my life, I picked up these 4 boxes as well. I'll be using this heart sign in an upcoming DIY for Valentine's Day. This plastic love glasses that I will also be using in an upcoming Valentine's Day DIY. These were a fantastic buy. These Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, great buy. Pick these up in the lavender and this regular scent, and 2 containers of Awesome's OxiClean, I guess you can say. This works great for Kayla because she works at In-N-Out. Her clothes are white, and so we are constantly bleaching and putting OxiClean in with her whites to really get them clean for work. And so buying regular OxiClean, it's breaking the bank for her. And so I pick up the 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree brand, and it works just as well. Kind of odd, picked up a toilet brush because the brush itself, you can unscrew it off the handle. And I use these toilet bowl brushes to replace the brushes in our decorative toilet bowl brush holder that we have. I've got oil rubbed bronze ones in each of the bathrooms. And so I like to replace the brushes often. And so at the 99-cent store, you can unscrew the brush off of these and it fits in the ones that I have in the bathroom. And so it's really easy to replace the brush in those. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this 99-cent store haul. You'll have to stay tuned to see some of the upcoming DIYs that I do using the items that were in this haul. I hope you enjoyed today's haul. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 3,000 likes because those thumbs up, they really do help my channel to grow and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget and bye for now, everybody.